We've got some animals here. I'm not sure exactly what they are, but they sure are cute. Look at them. There's a guy in here. I don't know what they are, darling. They're really cute. This is wildlife. This is safer here. It's gonna go on here. Isn't that wild? We saw some animals.
Here comes their dad.
Where? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Elk.
I'm taking video. Yeah, there is. There elk?
Like these people are messing with him. The only person that's gonna get hurt is me.
What a view. What a beautiful view. Isn't it amazing? Hi, darling. Hi.
Here, I'll get this buck coming at you.
You know, there's not even a crosswalk down there.
Here, let's go.
What's he doing?